Taguan mo na.
Okay.
Straight all the way to the end.
Oh, no, it was a mosquito.
I'll help you.
Sorry.
I know where to go. Make it right at the top.
Yeah, it was a
One quarter around the loop, make the first right. Just straight.
I appreciate you, man.
You're welcome, not a problem.
I can't pay you though.
That's okay. You get me there in one piece and on time, I'm happy. So you're going to want to go straight through the light and stay in the left lane. Unless there's a shortcut for the buses.
Probably, yeah. Because they go in a different way.
Okay, so the right lane's going to peel off. You're going to go straight.
This is another word I can't think of. Yep.
Because I'm awesome. Unless there's a shortcut around, I don't know if they do that. Take a good camp. This is good. I can give you tours as we go, but I don't want to distract the traffic.
All right, first student buses, make sure you use the full lot. When you turn around inside Lot 53, again, this goes to all first student buses. Make sure you use the full size of the lot.
Okay, so you want to go straight, and then there's might be a director there. You can hang a left here. Take the super shortcut.
I think am I supposed to go straight?
Directing you.
He said make a left.
Yeah. I think I might be
But
no, wait, I'm supposed to go straight. I'm a different
You're gonna go the different way? Okay,
yeah, I
straight ahead.
gotta
The official
follow this
bus
out.
route. We're gonna give you the shortcut. So you go straight, and then you're gonna have to make a left. Not at the first one, but the second. Okay, so you're gonna hang a left here.
This is way too me of the day, alright.
Go all the way around. All the way to the stop sign, make a right, and then a quick left. See where that bus is coming up? That's where you're gonna go in. Okay, at the stop sign, make a left. Bus in front of you, and I think we can just follow that. I think they're good now. But they'll direct you once you get where you make the right. They'll direct you. Pull in and pull around.
Primo, close to the area, there's a lot of traffic.
Okay, you're going to go straight. You're not going to turn here. You're going to go straight. And then when you get to the guy right after the cop car, they'll probably direct you into the right.
4192, take up in front of the Panera Bread, please. Take up after, hey, wait.
Okay, so what you're going to do is stay to the right, then loop around in this parking lot to the left and right behind that bus, and that's where you drop us off, and you head back and do it again.
One more time, guys. All the buses coming to College Avenue. Please, your stop is going to be Panera Bread. So, in front of the students at College Avenue, Academy is going to be picking up. Holding area, Academy is going to be picking up there. Our pickup point is in front of the Panera Bread.
Sweet.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please watch your step when you're exiting the bus. And you're gonna make a right.
Richie, do you copy? Yeah, I'm right here with you down there with this bus. What did it is fucking now?
I know.
Hey, Donald? Let them all know to go up against the edge. The 80 bus can come through. Stay put. Landers. Yes. Just so you got it. I got people waiting for the buses. Oh, Brandon, coming to you right now. You can kill somebody.